How to create content with Blaze AI. Creating content with Blaze AI is fast and simple. First, log into your Blaze AI dashboard, then choose the type of content you want, like a blog post, social media caption, ad copy, or email. Type in your topic or prompt, pick a tone of voice such as casual, professional, or witty, and hit generate. Blaze will instantly give you multiple content options to choose from. You can then edit, rewrite, or expand them with one click, or ask Blaze to make it more engaging or CEO friendly. If you want blog outline, just type your main idea and Blaze will build it for you. You can even generate CTAs, hashtags, or subject lines with zero effort. It's great for marketers, freelancers, or creators looking to save time while producing high-quality on-brand content. And that's it.